Hey, it's your man Aaron. Day 2 after surgery for my anterior cervical disc replacement. I had the bandage removed. The cut or scar isn't looking too bad. My pain level is pretty low. Most of the pain has been associated with where the tools went in and they pulled everything apart to get back to my vertebrae. So my trachea has been really sore for the last 2 days, but it seems to be getting better. So I haven't taken any painkillers since I left the hospital. I've just had uh, a little bit of lack of sleep last night. The night before was better, probably when I was still recovering from the pain meds that I took in the hospital or surgery center. It was an outpatient procedure. There was no hospital. Um, Main reason I had this done was because I had 9 months of extremely weak muscles in my pectoral, my tricep, my upper back, my lat, all affected from the C6 and C7 nerve root. The imaging I got done in February, just a couple weeks ago, showed a large herniation pushing into the foraminal canal, which I knew when that happened that it had re-herniated. I think it herniated in November, and that was pretty painful. The one in February was like blowtorch on my arm, pins and needles. Every morning when I'd get up, it'd get worse, then it'd slowly get better throughout the day. So luckily the surgeon was able to get me in quickly to replace that disc that was pretty much destroyed. I mean, I don't think it was going to heal after multiple herniations. You can see my chest. The left pec has ripples between the ribs. It was way worse before. There you can see a little more. It had shrunk up. You could actually see my ribs a couple months ago. Some muscle has come back over time. My triceps kind of the same way, just flattened out. And I think having some additional control come back just in the last 2 days since the surgery. But yeah, I mean, muscle atrophy happened pretty quick after the first 2 months of the lack of strength, and I'm happy. I'm just happy I don't have this nerve pain that's been ongoing for about 4 or 5 months straight. I did have a kind of like a lack of nerve pain in the months like August, September, October, where I felt pretty normal. I just was weak, but it re-herniated or something, and it got way worse November, December, January, and then re-herniated again in February, and I finally got it fixed. So I just want to let you guys know what the recovery's like. For me, pain from the surgery has been very minimal. I wouldn't be afraid of pain at this level. Maybe higher up. I've heard it's worse on your trachea the higher up they go. But yeah, it's been pretty easy. I've just been happy to be pain-free from nerve pain. All right, thanks for listening. Have a good night.